I'm Dr. Michael Wynn. I'm the voice and founder of Reclaim Your Stride. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Ortho Virginia in Richmond, Virginia, specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery. I've been in practice here since 2009, and at this point in my career, I'm one of the highest volume joint replacement surgeons in the country, performing approximately 1,000 hip and knee replacements every year. I'm the president of the board of directors of Ortho Virginia here in Richmond, and also the medical director of our largest office and surgery center. So a little bit about myself. I grew up in Tappahannock, which is a small town about an hour from Richmond. Growing up, as many young boys are, I was very active in athletics, and that was a big part of my life. I earned all state honors in several sports and was a collegiate athlete at Duke University, where I went to college. I now stay involved with coaching my 4 sons and watching them compete in sports like baseball and football and wrestling, and I get a lot of joy out of doing that. I've always been a competitive person. Growing up, I was competitive in athletics and academics. At this stage of my life, I'm competitive in orthopedics, and I'm constantly challenging myself to provide the very best level of care for our patients. I want to know that our patients, when they come to see me for hip and knee replacement, they're getting the very best care that they could get, not just in Richmond, not just in Virginia, but anywhere in the world. I want to know that we're offering all the options. We're offering surgery in an expert, minimally invasive fashion. We're getting them back to their life as quickly as possible. I want them to know that they're having the best patient experience and the best clinical results of anywhere. So that's my goal. That's a challenge I have to myself every day. I want to educate patients and provide the very best for them every time I see them.